Freight Business Development Portal is available through indianrailways.gov.in. Freight Services, Freight Business tab. Applying for a Gati Shakti cargo terminal or a GCT terminal is a matter of minutes now. Just click on apply for a Gati Shakti cargo terminal and apply for GCT. Now you will be asked to log in with your login credentials. If you're not a registered user, you may always sign up here. Once you sign up successfully, you will get your login ID and password, and then you can log in to this portal. Once you log in, you'll get this screen. New applications. When you want to apply for a new GCT Gati Shakti Cargo Terminal, if you have already applied for some GCTs, all the application would be listed here, and in a particular state, which state they are currently in, are listed in this panel. If you want to migrate to a GCT, you already have a PFT, the private freight terminal, and you want to migrate it to a GCT, this option is for you. All the migrated application, all the migration requests are available in this panel. If you want to see the GCTO policy is available here. If you want to see the user manual on how to work in this portal, is available here. If you want to contact someone for any sort of assistance, you can contact us. So let's apply a new GCT. Select a territory type, which district, pin code or division I'm going to apply a GCT in. Suppose I want to apply a GCT in say Delhi. What is the land ownership status? It is self-owned. Now the information of the applicant. Designation, mobile number, contact number, email ID, address, GSTN number. Now the applicant category. Am I an individual applicant or sole proprietorship firm or Hindu undivided family or any of these? I'm applying in my individual capacity. So based on the different types of categories, you will have different set of documents which are required to be submitted to Indian Railways. Like for partnership firms, we have PAN, TAN, partnership deed. For individual category, we have only PAN and TAN. Just write your PAN number, PAN number, not mandatory, and upload these documents. Maximum file size is 5 MB. And upload it here. And upload it here. And now file uploads are complete. Next step is to concept plan and traffic projection. Now I need to upload the concept plan. Upload here. What commodities this GCT would be handling? Suppose it would be handling cement and clinker. Expected volume for this per annum basis 1100 million tons. Expected number of rakes 900 rakes. Traffic type inward outward both or something. Wagon type. And remarks if you want to specify anything else. And any other document, any other supporting document which would help you speed up this application process. At any stage of this application, you can always save this application as a draft and may work on it later. Next step. So this is the information that you have just fed in for this ESTL location. Just check this information. And this is the stipulated amount which an application needs to bear. for applying for GCT waiver, for applying for this GCT application. This application amount is not refundable. So once you are done with, you are satisfied with this information, go for the payment thing. You have missed on something, you have missed the wagon type part. Go back to the previous stage, mention the wagon type, it's covered. That's it. And next step. Now you will be redirected to SBI payment gateway. You can make the payment through any of the preferred mode. So once you log in to your net banking thing or your credit card or something, your payment is done. So your application comes in the submitted. The application would be listed here. Would be in awaiting IPA state. This application reaches Indian Railways. Now the concerned officer of Delhi division, where you have applied the GCT for, would verify all your documents and then would issue you the in principle approval for this GCT. And once the in principle approval is issued, this would be available in the IPA issued state. Now, after this IPA has been issued, the applicant is supposed to upload the engineering skill plan, the ESP. At any state of time, at any stage of the application, you may always withdraw your application. But as I mentioned earlier, amount is not refundable. So once you submit the ESP, the application again goes in the second phase, goes to the concerned officer um, in that particular division, and the concerned officer would process it and would approve your GCT. Once this GCT approval comes, you may go ahead with the GCT thing. GCTO policy is available here. You may always check the policy. What are the timelines? User manual on how to proceed with this GCT application. Contact us. In case you need any sort of assistance, just contact SBI helpline or the concerned railway officials. So this was all about this GCT application submission. It's a matter of few minutes. Thank you.